back to my channel. So today I want to show you a very delicious and simple recipe with just a few ingredients. A lot of people have requested for me to make a salsa on YouTube, so I just want to show you really quick how I make my salsa. I know there's a lot of different salsas out there. You can make salsa in any way you want. There's so many ingredients, components, so many flavors that you can put together, but today I just want to show you something nice and simple for a good snack. So don't forget to check out the description down below so you can check out the full recipe. So for this recipe we're going to be using some tomatoes, some Poblano peppers, I have an Anaheim pepper, cilantro, Serrano peppers, sea salt, garlic, lime juice, dry oregano, and a little bit of oil because we're going to be roasting them in the oven. So what you want to do is cut everything in half, and we're going to face them down on a tray so that they can roast on the top. And when they're in the oven for about 10 minutes, we're going to flip them so they can roast on the other side. Now I like to take out the seeds on the Poblano peppers and the Anaheim peppers because I just want the flavor, but I will leave the seeds on the Serrano pepper for some spice. If you don't like your salsa too spicy, you can use jalapenos or you can take out the seeds on these. Alright, so now that we have everything cut in half, I'm going to get a tray and I'm going to be placing everything on this tray and brushing off some oil. I like to brush some oil on the tray first so that when I put the vegetables they don't stick. So just a little brush, just like that. And then I'm going to place all the vegetables facing down. So what I'm going to do now is brush a little bit, just a tad of olive oil on all the vegetables, just so they roast properly, because you don't want them dry. Just a little bit. So this is all you will need. I like to leave my garlic just out. I don't roast this, I just add it till the end. So now they're gonna go into the oven for 20 minutes. So I put them for 10 minutes facing down, and then after 10 minutes I turn them over, and then 10 more minutes. So the vegetables are roasted, so now I'm going to put everything into the blender. You can do it in the food processor if you have one. That'll be way better. So now I'm just going to add all the tomatoes and peppers. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut off some cilantro. I love cilantro, so I like to add a big bunch. And then here I have garlic clove and some salt, just a little bit because we already added a little bit of salt in the beginning. So just a little bit of salt. And then right here I have some dry oregano, and this is what for me makes it. I love oregano. If you don't like the flavor of oregano, you don't have to add it, but it just adds a very authentic flavor to the salsa, which I love. So I'm gonna add a little bit. And now I'm just gonna blend. really blend it for a long time. I just kind of pulse for a few seconds because I still like big chunks of tomato and the cilantro. Alright guys, so there you have it, my homemade salsa recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know if you try this. Make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe. See you next time.